Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Glace Bay, local and long-distance movers near me. Getting the right cheap moving company, Glace Bay offers the best options for your needs. 3 Movers makes relocating simple with affordable rates and dependable services. Our team will help make your residential or commercial move much easier. Get the right help you need when handling a long-distance move with us. We offer the following options: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to get your move taken care of by professional movers, we have the right options for you. Our long-distance movers will take it simple and get to where you need to be without all the stress. When relocating inside Canada, hiring a professional moving company can be a huge help. It is a lot of work and you might assume you can do it on your own. Hiring reliable local movers can save you time, energy, and the risk of harm. If you are moving locally, 3 Movers is your best bet. Getting around town is easy and quick with the help of our many services. We can help complete your relocation in a day or two if you need more time than that. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Glace Bay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.